This is a video for class 7th of English on the topic conjunctions. As you can see on your screens, these are some examples of conjunctions or joining words. That is and, but, so, because, etc. So, what are conjunctions? Conjunctions are words that link other words, phrases, or clauses together. They join or connect two or more words or sentences. That means they help in forming complex and elegant sentences. Without conjunction, you'd be forced to express every complex idea in a series of short, simplistic sentences. That is, I like cooking, I like eating, I don't like washing dishes afterwards. Now we look at certain examples. Conjunctions join words. For example, Harry and Ram are brothers. 2 and 2 makes words. Conjunctions join sentences. For example, Ajay is a good batsman. Shane is a good batsman. It can be written as Ajay and Shane are good batsmen. The two sentences were connected without changing their meaning. Some more examples. I work quickly and carefully. Sophie is clearly exhausted, yet she insists on dancing till dawn. I like cooking and eating, but I don't like washing dishes afterwards. So till now, we are able to understand that conjunctions are joining words. They join words or sentences. In this slide, the conjunctions are and, yet, and, but. Now we'll understand the different types of conjunctions. There are 3 types of conjunctions: coordinating conjunctions, subordinating conjunctions, correlative conjunctions. Some of the examples of coordinating conjunctions are for, and, neither, but, or, yes, so. You can make an acronym from these which would help you further to keep them in mind. So the acronym that we have made is FAN boys. Moving on to the second type of conjunction, subordinating conjunctions. Some of the examples of subordinating conjunctions are after, although, unless, because, in order, since, if, that. Moving on to the third type of conjunction, correlative conjunction. Some of the examples are not only but also, neither nor, though, yet. Coordinating conjunctions. Coordinating conjunctions allow you to join words, phrases, and clauses of equal grammatical rank in a sentence. The most common coordinating conjunctions are for, nor, and, but, or, yet, etc. Examples of coordinating conjunctions. I'd like pizza or a salad for lunch. Here, the coordinating conjunction is or. Jessie didn't have much money, but she got by. Here, the coordinating conjunction used is but. We needed a place to concentrate, so we packed up our things. Here, the coordinating conjunction used is so. Correlative conjunctions. Correlative conjunctions are pairs of conjunctions that work together. Some examples are either or, neither nor, not only but also, etc. On the right side, we can see a list of correlative conjunctions, out of which some of them are used often and some are not frequently used. The correlative conjunctions that are used often are neither nor, either or, not only but also, just as, so, whether or, both and the correlative conjunctions that are not frequently used are as, so as, no sooner than, the more, the more, the less, such that, as many as, scarcely when, rather than. Examples of correlative conjunctions. Not only am I finished studying for English, but also I am finished writing my history homework. Here, the pair of conjunction used is not only but also. You can either join us for the New Year party or stay with your friends at the club. Here, the pair of conjunctions used is either or. She has completed both her household chores and her office work. Here, the pair of conjunctions used is both and. Subordinating conjunctions. Subordinating conjunctions join independent that can stand alone as a complete sentence and dependent clauses that cannot stand alone as a complete sentence. Examples are as, because, until, etc. Some more examples of subordinating conjunctions are given on the chart that is on the left side of the slide. Examples of subordinating conjunctions. I can stay out until the clock strikes 12. Here, the first part of the sentence before the conjunction until is an independent clause, whereas the second part after the conjunction, that is until, is dependent on the first one. Make sure his room is clean before he leaves. In this sentence, the first part of the sentence, that is before the conjunction before, is an independent clause, whereas the second part, that is after the conjunction before, is dependent clause. At the end, let's have a quick recap of what we have studied under the topic conjunctions. A conjunction is a word which connects two words or clauses or sentences, phrases, and shows the relation between them. They are used to avoid making the text seem like bullet points and to make the text flow. There are three types of conjunctions: coordinating conjunctions, subordinating conjunctions, and correlative conjunctions. Coordinating conjunctions are used to link or join two words or phrases that are equally important and complete in terms of grammar when compared with each other. For example, for, and, nor, but, or, yet, soon, etc. We had made an acronym out of these words. That was fanboys. Moving on to the second type of conjunction, subordinating conjunction. They are used to join an independent and complete clause with a dependent clause that relies on the main clause for meaning and relevance. For example, although, as, before, once, though, until, whether, etc. Moving on to the third type of conjunction, correlative conjunction. Correlative conjunction are pairs of conjunctions used in a sentence to join different words or group of words in a sentence together. For example, both and, either or, just as so, neither nor, not only but, also, whether or, hardly when, etc. I hope you were able to understand this topic clearly. Thank you.